Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to another wallet. So to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to another wallet, you have to first of all access the wallet address of the receiver. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, let's say that I'm transferring to Binance from Coinbase. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Binance application, and so here you have to go ahead and click on deposit crypto and select the asset that you wish to deposit. Here you just have to go ahead and copy the wallet address that is being displayed right on the screen, and when you're done copying the wallet address, you need to exit out of the receiving app and then go ahead and log in into your Coinbase. When you're logged into your Coinbase account, this is how it's going to look like. So select the same asset that you wish to transfer. Since we had selected Bitcoin, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Bitcoin. So here what you have to do is first of all click on the send button. Next page you will be asked to select an asset that you wish to send. Since we have selected the assets Bitcoin, so then you have to go ahead and enter in all of these information, and next field you in the wallet address that you recently copied. When you're done pasting the wallet address, enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer, your payment source, all that. Review and confirm all of the procedure. Then you'll have successfully transferred crypto from Coinbase to another wallet. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from Coinbase to another wallet. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.